Justin, have you ever had the occasion to walk out to your car after you've been to a bar, a restaurant, church, doesn't matter where, and where your car was parked, someone dinged or dented it?
Yeah, it's happened.
How'd that make you feel?
Obviously, it makes me very angry.
Yeah, they didn't leave a note and a blank check saying, my bad,
Not one time.
go get it fixed?
No.
Okay. Justin, any idea what it costs to fix a ding or a dent that's the size of a dime?
Oh, God, I have no idea.
50, 60 bucks. If it's as big as a credit card size, it's about 150 bucks. You're like most people, you don't get them fixed. You get mad, that doesn't help the looks of your vehicle, but you know, you end up paying for those dings and dents sooner or later. You know how?
When you trade.
When you trade the vehicle in, whether it's us or somebody else buying it, they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle for those dings and dents. Here's what we're going to do for you for the next 6 months. An unlimited number of dings and dents. I hope you don't get any, but chances are you will. When you do, you're going to have coverage that will fix those dings and dents for you at absolutely no cost to you. All right, now what's that going to do for you? It's going to lower your cost of ownership, going to keep your vehicle looking better, but most importantly, it's going to help the resale value of the vehicle. If you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, Justin, well, shoot, you can extend that out to 5 years. Finance will tell you how to do that, okay?
Wow.
Yeah. Is that the first time I've ever done it?
No, obviously.
No. No.